guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I got it yesterday in the mail. I usually get it around the same time every month. I guess Boxycharm just tries to get out their boxes quick, like by the 10th or something like that, and I usually always get it on the 10th, if not the 11th. I've never had an issue with their shipping at all. They're actually really good with their shipping. This was shipped out the same day as Glossybox, and I got it before Glossybox. But Glossybox is here in Canada. I just haven't got it yet. So that just comes through a different shipment service. It comes through UPS and not Canada Post. So that might just be the reason why, I don't know. But anyways, this is the base box, so it's $25 a month US. I think with Canada it comes to about $10. Yeah, it comes to $10 Canadian, guys. No, it's about $40 Canadian. I think I paid for it. So I just did my choice for next month's box. I was actually kind of disappointed when I downgraded back to just my Boxycharm base box. I only got actually 1 month of the Boxyluxe box. I downgraded just because you know, there's other costs that were coming around this month, like my daughter's birthday and the concert and just stuff that I wanted to do in February. But I was upset when I downgraded at first because I was like, I started seeing the teasers. I was like, oh my god, there's like a hair wand in there. And then yesterday I actually found out that the hair wand was going to be in the base box as well for choice. So I ended up getting that. So I'm hoping I get it in the lavender purple color. If I get it in the yellow color, I'm not going to be disappointed. My hair wand broke the day I was going to the Carrie Underwood concert, so I wasn't exactly happy, but I'm glad that my brother's girlfriend was at the house, so I was able to use her hair wand to go to the concert. But anyways, base box, $25 a month. There is Boxyluxe, that is every 3 months. You still get the Boxycharm base box on the months that you don't get your Boxyluxe. And I think that is $49.99, I want to say. And then there's the Boxyluxe, Boxycharm Premium, which I think is $35. There is a wait list for that, so if you are going to want to get the Boxycharm box, just stick with the base box for now. And then if you want to, put yourself on the wait list for the Boxyluxe or the Boxycharm Premium. But anyways, this is my box. It's the base box. And here we go. We'll just open it. I did not receive a card this month. I don't know if that was a thing that like everyone got this month. Like, I didn't get a card, so I don't have prices for you guys. I remember some of them. Some of them I'll have to put most of them below. Anyways, I'll start with what I chose. I think it was between this. There's a couple different choices. There's actually the Becca foundation. There was the eyeshadow palette. There was some eye cream, I want to say, and something else. And I was like, okay, well, oh, the Kate Somerville. And I was going to choose the Kate Somerville, but instead I did choose the iconic Day to Slay palette, so that's what it looks like. And I love the colors. I chose this because it was more on the neutral side, and those are the colors, guys. Like, I'll try to take this off carefully. Here we go. So you can see the colors a little bit better, but it's more of a neutral palette, which I liked. Let me just swatch a couple here. I'll do a shimmery shade, and I'll do just a normal shade. So we'll do Bellini. Oh, like, yeah, it feels nice. So Bellini, And we'll do Wonderland because I like Wonderland a lot. And Wonderland is beside it. So can you see that? So they're really pretty colors. I'll do another one in a shimmery shade so you can actually see, and I'll do Bronze Bay so you can see the colors. There's Bronze Bay beside it. So they're really pretty colors. I'm excited about the palette. So that was my choice. I was excited to get that. I just think it's more of a neutral palette that will suit me better. Next up was actually the variation. So you could have got the brushes or you could have got the Luxie sponges. I got the Alamar brushes. So the Alamar brush set. I don't know what it's called. I don't have the card, guys. I just know that I have the brushes. So let's see here. We got the bronzing blush. Oh, it actually feels very nice. So that's the bronzer brush. So that's that, and that feels really nice. And then the next one was the Complexion brush. So it's a little slight angle for you. And it's just as nice. I believe the brush set is $36 US, I want to say. And then the next up was the brightening brush. And that's what that one looks like. So, did I need more brushes? Not necessarily. Am I disappointed that I got the brushes? No, because I have enough sponges. I actually have more sponges than I have brushes, so I'm excited that I got the brushes. So I believe that was $36. So I will put everything down in the description below. Next up, I got the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. So I got that right there. It is silicone free. It is made with aloe, coconut water, probiotics, and I think caffeine is in here too, if I remember by the website. It says it's cruelty free, paraben free, vegan friendly, gluten free, and talc free. So that's good. I'm actually just ran out of my little staple size primers, so I'm excited to get another one in my box that I paid $25 for. And I think this is like 30 something too, I want to say 30 something. Anyways, so I'm excited to get that. So moving on, we got the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads. So I did get this product in a sample size in my Ipsy bag. I want to say my October Ipsy bag. I used them. I liked them. This isn't the big size. I think this is only the 28. I want to say this is the 28. I can't find the size here. Yes, so this is the 28 pad one, which I think in Canada is like $22, I think. I think in the US it's like 18, 17 maybe. But here in Canada it's like 22 at Sephora. So I use them, I like them. I just haven't went and bought anything. Like I haven't went and bought like anything at Sephora in a couple of months just because I haven't really needed to go into the store. Plus when I do, I buy stuff. But so First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads. It says you can wipe across face, neck once or twice daily after cleansing. It's alcohol free. So I'm excited to use those again. Next up, I was excited to get this, guys. I actually got the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder, and I drop it, of course. But yeah, I was actually excited to get this. I was hoping I was going to get this over the self-tanning drops or whatever the variation was. I'm like, I don't really want self-tanning drops. Okay, like, I hate boxes, guys. I really do. I'm just ripping into it. So, yeah. So, that's what that looks like. It's a translucent powder, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so setting powder. I'm excited about it. Sealed up. And actually, maybe have a like scent of coconut in there. So that's everything in my box. I'm pleased with this month's box. I'm not gonna complain too much about it. I actually like it. I'll use everything. Yeah. So if you are liking my page at all, I'm like slouching here, guys. Sorry, I'm like freezing. If you are liking my channel at all, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for a notification of when I upload a new video. I have Ipsy on its way. Slay Glam Box is apparently somewhere. I canceled it, thank God, because the shipping on that drives me insane. And then I have Top Box that ships out on the 15th, and I have a single swag coming. I just got the small one, but I got a promo on that, so I'm only going to get that one for 3 months. And then I lost my thing here, guys. Oh, I found it. Yeah. So, there's something else that's, oh, glossy. And my video cut it because I just like to chat so much. Anyways, Glossy Box is on its way too. Ipsy's on its way. Slay Glam Box is who knows where. Thank God that's the only box. I feel bad for saying that, but the shipping on that just drives me nuts. I know she's been having issues with her shipping, so I feel bad because I didn't realize that when I did cancel. So, and plus she's having some medical problems too, so I do feel bad for just not taking the time to get to know the box a little bit more. Maybe down the road I'll do it again, but right now it just wasn't in my budget. Plus it wasn't that it wasn't in my budget. I think it's just the shipping drove me nuts. Anyways, so that's on its way. Glossy Box is on the way. Ipsy's on its way. Single swag is on its way. Yeah, I'm not single, I'm married, but I just got the small 3 to 4 full-size items, and it's just some of the stuff in the February box just looks cute, so I just didn't want to commit to the full size. So I'm seeing what the 3 to 4 full-size items looks like, and I got it like 40% off like for 3 months, so it was a good deal. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it once May comes along, but for the next 3 months I have single swag. And Top Box ships out soon, and yeah, so that's everything, guys. Like I said, if you are liking my channel at all, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for a notification of when I upload a new video. And I guess we will see you soon. My daughter is home, so I have to actually go check to see what she's doing because it's a strict day in Ontario and my son is sleeping. And yeah, so we will see everyone soon. Hopefully Glossy Box will be here next day or two, and then Ipsy, and then whatever comes, I guess. Yeah, so I will see everyone soon, and I hope everyone has a good day and a good week, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Oh, and give me a thumbs up